What's up, YouTube? I've just been doing some Andariel runs in hell here, and I thought, why not share a few of them with you, see what we can drop. So one of my strategies right now, once you get into hell and you start doing this, look, your resistances are usually pretty bad, especially since I have a lot of magic find gear on. What I like to do is I like to pop a couple of antidote potions. Each one of them gives you an extra... God, I can't even remember. It gives you a lot of extra poison resistance, and each one of them lasts for 30 seconds, and they stack. So, dropping 3 of them, I just got a minute and 30 seconds of overmaxed poison resistance. So, let's redo my little buffs here, and I'll kind of show you a few different strategies I've got for coming in here and taking out Andariel, especially when you're a lower level. There's always these fallen shamans, and these guys just get so annoying, so I try to kill them real quick. And because my resistance and defense and everything's so low, I'm not just gonna sit there and static field Andariel. She would probably kill me before I get her down below 3/4 of health. So I just kind of do the strategy where I teleport back and forth, and I keep my blizzards in between where I'm teleporting, and then she just has to walk through it to come get me, basically. So she's walking back and forth in the blizzards, and it usually wears her down pretty quick. And she's dead. And we don't got any good drops at all. I do grab stuff and sell it for gold, though, and sometimes I like to pop the chests and the rogues' bodies, and you never know what you're going to get to fall out of any of this stuff. There's always a shaman there, and you don't have to kill these guys, especially once you get to where you can take Andariel out in like 2 seconds. But right now, using this strategy, being very glassy and very fragile, I like to get rid of those shamans and kill their fallen, so I'm just not teleporting on groups of them and then getting put into hit recovery, and then Andariel comes up and one-hits me. So that's why I like to kind of clear the area out a little bit. And then we get to wait on these nice long loading times on my dinosaur of a computer. I am playing this on single player, so the maps stay the same. They don't change every time. That's really nice. It's one of the big reasons I like playing single player. It's because my maps never change. Let me turn this light off. That's a little better. Alright. Get my buffs. Come over here. I like to buy about 3 of these. Oh yeah, that was worth a ton of money. Woo woo. So I got a pretty good roll on my map here. I always, if I'm coming back from a different difficulty and it's a new map, I like to roll it a few times till I get one that's not so bad to get around from Catacombs 2 to 3 and then 4. Alright, pop the antidotes. And let's get her. Oh my god, there's like boss packs of zombies everywhere. This is awesome. Oh, and I'm standing in the fire. You might get to watch me die. Oh my god, this is why you gotta get the shamans, because they resurrect those fallen, and then you find yourself getting stuck on fallen, and that's never good. Wow, what is hitting me? Oh, there's a little... See? You gotta kill the fallens. Almost more importantly, you gotta take out their shamans. I even come down here and I get that guy. Oh, hit recovery. Oh man, that guy's immune to cold. It almost never happens. Oh, this is gonna be bad. And he's not dead. There, now he's dead. Alright, so I can bring her over here to this wall. I'll do this a lot. And just walk her on the wall and try to keep about 2 blizzards going. Oh, man. Where are those guys coming from? It's got to be that third shaman. There's 3 shamans in this level, and they're always in the same spot. Usually I don't have to worry about that one down there, though. Oh, this guy's coming. So we'll switch to going back and forth here. And she pops. And doesn't give me anything. Ooh, look, a Venom Ward. Oh, I can put that on my mercenary. And maybe he won't die. If this bitch will pick it up, goddamn. Alright. And if you're just doing Andariel runs like this, there's really no need to go back to town after you kill her. Just save and exit, and when you rejoin, you'll be back in town. Woo, saving you a town portal. Doing the Lord's work here. So far, I've gotten a Geed's Charm off of her, a Shaco, Titan's Revenge, a handful of other kind of crappy uniques that aren't really worth much. Another thing about saving and exiting to get back to town is you can come over here and talk to Deckard and get your items identified instantly and for free. So yeah, I might try my mercenary this time. He usually just dies almost instantly. His poison resist is not very good. Get my antidotes. Let's go see if we can get the mercenary to survive. Right now I've got him using Skin of the Flayed One for the life leech. It's not the best, but you want life leech on your merc, that's for sure. I'll even give an antidote to him. And he is at 95. If he dies, I don't know, man. He's fired. You're fired. Come on. I hate these shamans, man. They make it so difficult having an army of fucking dark ones wandering around. Oh yeah, he's gonna die. He's dead. Yeah, just need to... I really could use Andariel's Visage. Come on, Andy. Drop me your Visage. I'd appreciate it. Oh, boo. I do feel like I get caught on more shit, like random walls and poles on Resurrected than I did on original. It's kind of annoying. Man, there's nothing good here. Can't even remember what that field plate is, but I know it's not worth a damn. Alright, so the mercenary's just not gonna work. Unfortunately. That's alright. God, this shit is slow, dude. Alright, come here, Deckard. Somebody buy me a new laptop. I know everyone is like, why don't you get a desktop? I'm like, well, I don't want a desktop. I move around a lot. I like having a laptop. So much nicer. Oop. Antidotes. Let's do this. My cast rate is really low right now. I have a lot of other gear, but like I said, I'm all MF right now. I got the good stuff. I didn't get any mana pots. Uh-oh. Come down here. Kill this. Oh my god, I just aggroed the whole kingdom. Yeah, you should have been dead. These 3 shamans, they will fuck you up. Usually the one you don't have to worry about. Hit recovery. No, no. Don't do it. Oh gosh, there's too many. This is bad. This is bad. Oh, I don't have any mana. I'm gonna have to go back to town. Oh, nope, just making a new one. I couldn't even teleport. Hey, if you die, you die, but usually I can save an exit before I die. Because once you die with that many monsters running around, you're not coming back naked to get your body. It just probably ain't happening. That was a close one. Don't forget to restack your mana pots. Remember, I'm using energy shield, so a big chunk of the damage I receive is going to my mana instead of my health. Let's see what my MF is right now. 258. It's about where you want to be. It's ideal. Ideal. Oh, let's get some antidotes. Now I know these are not. Oh, I didn't even use my ones from last time. Whatever. I know these are not like super fast or, you know, whatever. But you got to do with what you got. You just got to clear some of these zombies and stuff out, or else they're going to be hitting you, putting you in hit recovery. And since I'm not using stealth anymore, I lost a big bonus to hit recovery. And you're just kiting her. You're just walking her like a dog on a leash. Sometimes she smacks you. Just smack her back. Just slap her titties. They're hanging out. There we go. What's the Gladius? I don't even remember. Something shitty. Bloodletter. Ain't nobody using that. I'd love to find a 4 open socket. Ethereal armor. So I can make my mercenary of fortitude, then he might not die so much like a little bitch. Sometimes I come down here and I kill me some boss packs. Sometimes I come down here and I get killed by some boss packs. You never know what you're gonna drop. We're in hell, so we could get high runes. We could get a lot of stuff. I wish they put some elevator music on these loading screens. It's ridiculous. Oh my god, what is this mage plate? Charcy fodder is what they call it. Sell that shit. The quest log for me keeps popping up because I haven't done the Den of Evil. Well, guess what? Half the monsters in the Den of Evil are cold immune, and that's all I got is cold skills. As much as I want that one skill, my mercenary isn't high enough level yet to really help me out. I tried it once and Corpse Morn ripped him to shreds, man. Die, maggot. And if you teleport in the fire, it's alright. Just cast a blizzard on yourself. Did you see how I did that? Got that fallen shaman. These guys, they get so annoying. Oh, they get so annoying. Got somebody with a might aura down there. You just want to keep her in that blizzard. Ah. Fuck off. You fucking shit clouds, man. That one little poison shot that she does is so deadly. Go away. Why can't you be like Mephisto and I can like moat trick you or something? That'd be cool. Come on, 20 lifer with res. Of course not. Who's down here with the might aura? I'm gonna kick your ass. Oh lord. Giant conch. That always reminds me of that one SpongeBob episode. Something about a conch. I don't remember. What is the giant conch? Oh, it's a helmet. I'm trying to pop these rogue bodies. They're usually in the same spots. Usually one here, one here, one here. Sometimes there's like, I think there's one on the floor around here sometimes, and then there's always one up in the fire. Not enough mana. Not enough mana. Well, these are pretty shitty drops. I was doing so well. Yeah, way she goes sometimes. Just get that rejuve out of there. It's taking up space and pissing me off. Yeah, these aren't the fastest, but right now I need some GG items, and I'm not having fun dying in Act 3. Act 3 sucks right now. Alright, you shamans. Come here. Not you. You, the big ugly bitch with the poison titties. Oh my god. This is why it's so annoying having the other monsters hanging around while you're trying to Blizzard her. Twisted Essence of Suffering. I'm not even grabbing any of that stuff. It's not even worth anything. Some shitty antlers. 3 socket though. I do love the auto gold pickup feature. That is life-saving. Find yourself having just more gold than you did. Don't have to go and click on every single one of them. Eventually, when you get good enough, like, you can just teleport right up in Andariel's face, slap her titties with some static, static fields and Ander with a blizzard or two. But that's like when your blizzard's doing 8, 9, 10,000 damage. With my Magic Find gear, I'm only doing 2,500, which is pretty good. It hits pretty hard. Slapping like a stepdaddy. Come here, I got you. I got your number. Yeah, just stand in my blizzard like that. I like it. Really? Fucking hit recovery, bro. And I keep getting stuck on the wall. I'm trying to walk along this wall. And it, like, catches me all, like, right here. Look. Oh, man. Maybe I can trade these arrows for an enigma. Jesus. This game is so fun. Oh, man. This will probably be my last one. I gotta let the dog out. He's looking at me like, I'll piss on the floor. I'll chop your balls off. I ain't even lying. That is going to happen soon. The reason I'm swapping to this shitty staff right now, I don't want to spec into energy shield, so I got one that gives me it. Because if you look, oh, I am spec'd into energy. No, there. Yep, I just don't want to. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna have to use 3 skill points to get into that. It's stupid. I don't understand why lightning and all this is a prereq for it, but whatever. I got my staff. Without energy shield, they wreck you. Get that shaman, get this shaman, and they won't be coming back to life. Forgot to use my antidotes. Like I said, antidotes don't just clear up your poison. They buff up your resistance like crazy. I want to say it adds like 80 or something. Maybe 75. I don't know. It adds 10 to the max. And then, yeah, like 75. I don't know. Google it. Ooh, a great axe and a grand crown. I seen a little bone knife down here. Well, what is that? A little wizard spike? Nice. These are really good in hell, actually. I might end up using that. Cast rate, big time mana boost, huge resistance boost. That's actually pretty dope. I'm glad I did one more run. A shit axe that nobody ever uses. That's not bad. I wonder if that'd go good on my mercenary. Ooh, Polex. Ooh, it's ethereal. Ooh. I could socket that. I don't think it... I got a partisan on my guy, though. I think it's probably better. Too bad it wasn't an ethereal Colossus Fulge. Yeah, he's using a partisan. It's non-eth, but I think they do more damage from the get-go. I think this helm is just going to be better. Yeah. Crushing blow, deadly strike, hit recovery. Way better than I am keeping that, though. Probably will use that once I try to progress through Act 3, which might happen today now. Big time resistance boost on that thing. I think I need more strength, though. Don't remember. Yeah, I'm not keeping that. It's worth, like, nothing. Charcy fodder. Not even. Oh, dexterity. Oh, gross. I need a lot more. Gross. That's depressing. And I need more. I forgot I have these war travs. I need to get my strength up. Have anything that will give me dext? Don't think so. Oh well. I'll figure it out. Got plenty of skills left. Alright, well, there's some shitty Andariel runs for you. Hope you enjoyed.